Hello. Hello, and welcome to ChaosTrainer. I got some fun stuff for you guys today. We got a new mechanic, well, somewhat old one, but I polished it off and with the new UI and everything, got it working. But I set up a maze with this factory. Like before, these guys would shoot stuff places. This one has a radius, and it will randomly place coins down. Now, here's a sneak peek of the new UI. Every time they collect a coin, they get 100 score and 20 seconds extra on their life. So besides that, they get a 1 second for exploring tiles and 1 point just to encourage them to explore, even if they hit lava, and then they lose up to, I think it's 250 I got it at, 250 for hitting lava, basically, if they lose health. And I let it run all night. Luckily, looks like a lot of our memory problems are kind of solving themselves, and their processing power is fine. And this green species emerged, and let's see if I can get a hold of this guy. They're not, so there's some issues, but they do find and hit these things. The thing is, they see lava behind it. They are very hesitant to go at it, but if they see the wall, they have no problem slamming into the wall. So like this one here, let's watch it and see if that green guy goes for it. I can't see that far. Maybe. So he knows it's there. He's turning around. He's trying to get to it. There we go. See, they have no problem slamming into the wall to get to it, which is good. But they will not touch it near lava. They've got smart enough that they won't touch lava. They'll just wait around. I mean, this is the type of behavior that I've been waiting for. It's such a simple game mechanic, and they might like go in circles and try and hit that one for a while. Like this guy might be chasing that one there. It's tough to say because they have no memory. So the second they can't see it, they forget about it. So that's one thing. I was just talking to Super Jerry, one of the community supporters, and I'm gonna slow it down so I can catch one of these guys and try and see. This guy looks like he's going to be close to those two. Let's watch the neural net here. So we're looking for this here. See, this second to last one is the coin entity one. So that's the eyes. I have them going slightly different angles right now because I wanted to try something else. But you see that second to the outer one light up? That means they saw it. And so the furthest out one's the memory one. And the other two are lava. Let's see, that's the lava tile is the closest in and can see outer wall. So we're looking for the second to outer one to light up. That means he saw a coin. Yeah, so they did it right there for a second. Yep. But the coins only last up to 60 seconds. And he just saw one with his middle eye. I could drop it down more, but so this is the neurology that's kind of spawned from that. So yeah, he knows that they're around him, but he's like, what? Ah, there he goes. Look at that. He like sniped it. You know, this is the type of behavior you can create overnight. People, I'm in my head. I'm like, people actually going to run a game overnight. Is that going to be like a thing? And it's like back in the day, people used to play chess via mail. Also, there's like, I don't know, a couple million people or however many people mining Bitcoin. It's like that means that they're running servers all the time. Like training AI is the new mining, man. Go. I forgot about them. And if you're wondering what these are, sorry, these little black dots here, that's a bug. The shadows for the coins all got detached and never seem to reattach. So I don't think they can see that. The shadows are not an entity that exists and that are raycastable. So that's my bad. But I just wanted to show you guys them collecting coins. Like, okay, sometimes the coins get stuck in walls. That's something I gotta fix. Shouldn't be too hard. But that really freaks them out. I'll be stood there hammering at that wall trying to get them. Come on, yep. Okay, so they'll probably go for this one. It's the easiest one to get. Nope, maybe not. They dodge lava pretty well. One just spawned up by him. I can't tell if he actually went for it, if he just accidentally hit it. See, he was thinking about it, but he forgot. See, I got to give him some type of memory. There you go. He's gonna go for this one. Yep. Oh, we got both of them. Or else the other one just expired. So I think this guy's going to probably go down here and get this, if you can see it. I need to have some type of way to turn on their eyesight for you guys. Oh! See, his eyes are just spaced enough where I don't think he got close and he forgot it was there. It's like a hammerhead shark, you know, if you put, or to get right between its two eyes, it would totally just forget you're there. See, what I need to do to verify this is what I think it is to probably put lava in here as well, or fireballs, and see if they'll dodge the heck out of it. If they learn how to dodge that, then we're probably talking. So just have two factories here, one fireball and one coin. God, I really do want to give them memory though, especially with our performance enhancements. I honestly think they can handle some short amount of entity memory. They just need to have to put some type of limit on it for how many they can remember or something. Yeah, I mean they're picking them up pretty good, and it's like at first it looks kind of random, but then you'll see every once in a while them changing paths to try and get it. This guy's freaking out probably because that one's in a wall. So, all right. So guys, I'm making progress here. I'm looking to run some type of Kickstarter campaign or something to launch this thing. Working on a trailer right now. As you guys can see, I'm working on the new UI. He turns around. Yep, so he saw it, and he kind of made a dash towards it. He knows it, but then he keeps turning past it, and the other guy snipes it. That's cool. Just imagine what we can do with this. Like, this is one night's worth of training. These neural nets aren't even that complicated. Like, you know, we've got it going pretty efficiently right now. Imagine the gameplay we can have with this stuff, you know. You can have entire teams of guys. I mean, what I want to train them to do soccer. I want to train them to do soccer with bombs. Like, it's kind of like hot potato, where they can observe the state of the bomb, and like maybe the bomb has like a frequency. If it, you know, goes higher and higher, and as it gets high enough to like, oh, this bomb's too hot, I'm not going to make a goal with it. I'm going to run like crazy. You know, things like that, like team behaviors. Like, there's all sorts of stuff we can do with this. So I'm looking to push this out there and build a trailer. And like, so if you guys know anybody in the gaming industry, news-wise or AI industry, like this could be a cool educational tool. I could expose the innards of this thing, so you guys could, you know, people could teach their classes or like learn, you know, neural network. I mean, we're already, actually, I'll show you guys the new fitness screen. Well, but this is how they're rewarded. They get rewarded for exploring tiles, collected coins, basic health. I think I showed you guys some of this, but you know, you could change what you're rewarding, your fitness functions for your classes. Yeah, that button doesn't work yet, but all sorts of stuff. So, if you guys like what I'm talking about, follow me on Twitter. It's Schematical, Schematical. Twitch, Schematical Games, I think it is, and Discord. I mean, all the stuff's in the show notes. But yes, I would love to make this like a legitimate game and simulation with competitions, and you know, so we're getting there. It's just taking forever. But I mean, I did 389 generations in the last 12 hours. That's pretty cool. As I was sleeping, and they're already solving this one extremely efficiently. So I'm happy. All right, this is Matt, ChaosTrainer. A little user interface inspiration here. I like the way that works. I'm actually thinking about making a diagnostic mode that looks like this. Thanks for following me. Love you guys' support. See you guys on Discord. Bye.